currently in guest relations. Let me tell you, this crazy adventure we just went on. Dan lost his wallet somewhere.
Somehow, between the Japan stall and America sitting down at one of the benches or something, I dropped my wallet out of my pocket or something happened.
Dan purchased some food in Japan that you guys saw, and then we stopped in America to eat.
Luckily, I kind of was the one doing the purchases, so we know the general time about when I lost it.
But we literally backtracked and went all around where we kind of showed you. Dan then did all of that, and then I went behind him and checked again. We could not find it. We went to one of the gift shops, and they said they sent a wallet to the International Gateway. We thought we were going to the International Gateway, but we actually didn't. What the International Gateway is the
way to get in from coming from like the boardwalk. It is on the other side of the